Fonvirtual.com. Hi, I'm Emma Smith, and I'm here to present you with the new WebRTC technology of Fonvirtual. Would you like to benefit from the telephony of your company or business anywhere in the world? That your lines are available in any connected device, no matter if it's PC, tablet, or smartphone? And that the voice quality is HD, or that the lines synchronize in every device? Then what you need is the WebRTC telephony of Fonvirtual. We can offer you local phone numbers of any country, or port your usual number to associate it with WebRTC. Or facilitate your solutions so your clients can call you through your web or your app. Moreover, we offer your virtual phone lines, PBX service, and even call center services in the cloud. So the calls from your clients are managed efficiently according to the day, hour, and the call location. And you can control the quality of the telephone service at any time thanks to our online reports or the inbound and outbound calls recording. Unlike the traditional voice over IP based on SIP protocol, WebRTC is an open source protocol of voice and video online communication boosted by Google. With WebRTC, it's not necessary to install any software, configure routers, nor use expensive IP phones. WebRTC is a technology that really works with the cloud. Through your web browser or our app connected to the internet, you'll receive and make your calls with the best rates anywhere in the world, with a PC, a tablet, or a smartphone, and always with the best HD voice quality. You'll find your contacts, your call history, and more in any device you connect as far as the line synchronizes in the cloud. No permanence, for a fixed fee, no investments, nor installation, no IP phones. Fonvirtual.com, the magic of telecommunication for your company.